Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a custom font in Circuit Design Space on your iPhone. This is great for using unique font for stickers or any project. Let's get started. Open the Circuit Design app on your iPhone. Tap New Project to open the blank canvas. Tap Text at the bottom. Type any word or paragraph. You will apply your new font to this text later. Before Circuit can use it, you need the font installed on your iPhone. Go to font website like thefont.com or font.google.com. Using Safari, download the font and make sure it's in TTF or OTF format. Once the font is downloaded, open the downloaded font file and tap install font. If it asks, install it by iPhone or Font Designer app. To get it added on your iPhone, go back to the Circuit Design Space app, tap your text, then tap Font at the bottom, scroll through System Font. You will now see the new font appear here. Tap to apply it to your text. Use two fingers to resize your text. Tap letter spacing to adjust the space between letter if you need it. Remove or rotate your text on the canvas to fit your design. Once your text looks perfect, tap Make It. Connect your iPhone to circuit machine by Bluetooth. Select your material, load your map, and press Go to cut the draw your text. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.